Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and today we're here in Atlantic City on the beautiful Atlantic City Boardwalk. It's a nice summer evening here, and we're going to take a walk all the way from the Tropicana Hotel and Casino to the Ocean Casino and Resort. So a long walk ahead of us. We'll stop off maybe at a couple beach bars if I can get in. It's kind of busy right now. And maybe stop off at the Steel Pier and take a look at what's going on there. So let's get our walk started, shall we? On our walk up to the ocean, we're going to check out a few places, including the Rainforest Cafe's gift shop, as well as those new go-karts, those electric go-karts at the Showboat. Pretty exciting up there, so stay tuned. We'll check those things out as well. We have a long walk ahead of us, so I'm not going to do too much commentating. I'm going to let the sounds of the people and the sounds from the shops and the restaurants really take over this video, but I might have some commentary. You know me, I'm never at a loss for words, so we'll just play it as we go along. We have a long walk ahead of us, so let's check out the beer garden first. They have a nice pizza oven going there. This is the Bungalow Beach Bar. We'll check it out. As I was approaching the Bungalow Club, obviously the music was getting louder and louder until it became so loud that, one, you couldn't hear what I was saying, and two, I knew there'd be a copyright issue. So the next couple of seconds or moments, I'm just going to play some background music, and then we'll continue our walk on the boardwalk. I'm staying at the Hard Rock tonight. I got a lot of videos done today. I hope you guys are going to enjoy them. They should be posted shortly, and I have some plans for tomorrow as well. But for now, I'm heading all the way up to the ocean, and then I'm going to have to backtrack a little bit so I can get back to my room.
But like
I always considered the boardwalk in between the Tropicana and Caesars the most quietest area on the boardwalk. In between the two, you have the convention center, or I don't know what they're calling it these days, but I always called it the convention center. But yeah, this is always the quietest area on the boardwalk. Things are going to get much brighter and much louder and much more of a party atmosphere as we walk along. Like I said, I'll always call this place a convention center. That's just what's burned into my head. But I think it's actually called Boardwalk Hall, or it could be called something else. I'm not sure. But to me, it's always a convention center. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Clarice, the Miss America crown, in my latest Atlantic City video, Joey Longo's Meatballs and Martini. She also found Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, in my last Las Vegas video, MGM Grand. So great job, Deborah. Keep up the good work and see if you can make it 3 in a row. Someday I'll eat here. I'll put it on my list, my ever-growing list. And hey, if you're enjoying this video, why not give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to the New York channel if you haven't already. It really does help the channel out. Thank you so much. Caesars has that Nero's Italian restaurant and steakhouse right above these doors here. All those windows up there that overlook the boardwalk and the ocean. Beautiful views at night. They also have Morton's Steakhouse here as well. So if you're in the mood for a steak, Caesars is probably a good choice to come to. As I'm editing this video, I'm looking at myself and saying, hey, Jeff from New York, you look really tired and your eyes are half shut. And then I'm starting to realize, wait a minute, I did about 5 other videos today, and I did 2 restaurants, and now I'm doing a 27-mile walk from the Tropicana to the ocean. That's right, 27 miles. You fact checkers, you can check it out and leave a comment below. No wonder I'm tired. I was just in Caesars about an hour or 2 ago, and the bottom level of the casino, they have 2 levels in the casino. Bottom level is being torn apart, making room for Gordon Ramsay's Hell's Kitchen, as well as, I'm trying to think of the other place. I can't think of it off the top of my head, but lots going on here at Caesars. So that's a good thing because it's getting kind of stale here at Caesars. So hopefully they'll be opening up shortly. Nobu, that's the other restaurant. Gordon Ramsay's Steakhouse and Nobu Restaurant. They're both opening up shortly here this summer. I was in Wild Wild West a little earlier as well, and the place was really jumping. They have live music going on there. It looks like some kind of private party as well. Lots of people in there. We're going to take a quick walk in and see if it's still active or if things are starting to die down. Let's go check it out. Looks like another band setting up, so I'm not going to hang around. I got lots more to do tonight, but the band that was here earlier was really good. Lots of people dancing. I'm going to come back to the Wild Wild West maybe tomorrow night and check out more activities going on here.
Handcrafted cocktails and a new selection of Italian wine. Nero's is located on the 3rd floor above the dining room.
Keep an eye on the woman dressed in black coming in from the right. God, I love the boardwalk at night. So I stopped off at a beach bar, the bungalow in front of Tropicana. I don't think I can even use any of that footage because the music's so loud, it's gonna be hard for me to drown it out. Just like here at Valley's Beach Bar, which is a very popular beach bar. It's just hard for me to either talk over the music or play music over the music for copyright issues. So not a good night for beach bars tonight, but I do plan on hitting them during the day in the near future. Tons of new stuff going on here at Bally's. I just did a video on it. You can check that out. Lots of new restaurants, some new clubs. Just everything's changing. The casino carpets have been changed. The lobby carpets have been changed. I want to check out the yard. I already checked out that 360 bar. Just lots going on here. So every time I come here, if it's a week later, I see lots of changes even. So they're really moving at a quick pace here at Bally's. I was going to take you guys on a short visit of the Steel Pier. It's beautiful at night, but time got a hold of me tonight. I had no idea it was that late. It's like, I don't know, a little after 10 o'clock, so pretty much everything on the Steel Pier is closed. But I'll be back again shortly at night, and we'll definitely take a visit on the Steel Pier at that point.
No, not today.
think I mentioned in a previous video that the Steel Pier Pizza, which is right behind me, is a very good slice on the boardwalk. Not too many good slices here on the boardwalk, but I think Steel Pier is one of the best. So if you're hungry for a slice and you're on the boardwalk, check this place out. It's pretty good. These electric go-karts are very cool. From what I understand, they're made in Italy, and they go a lot faster than I had thought. So it's a tight track, very aggressive track, and I really wanted to ride it and film it for you guys. And I think if you saw a couple of my videos ago, I came here to Atlantic City, and I brought my GoPro with me, and I wanted to attach it to my visor. And I forgot the tiny little attachment. I left that at home. So this time I bought the attachment, not realizing that they fit you with a helmet, which totally blew all my plans. So let's just watch these cars and see how cool they are. But once again, I know at home I do have a chest mount. It's kind of like a harness, and you put it right over your chest. So maybe next time. I know I keep saying that, but I'm gonna get this right. Pretty cool. I had no idea they were that fast. The cars are all electric and they're made in Italy. They are very fast, which is why I guess we have to wear a helmet. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that super thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. This seafood festival here at the Showboat is only temporary. I believe it's just this weekend. Well, that's it. It was a beautiful night here, a beautiful summer night here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. We made it all the way to the ocean from the Tropicana. I read somewhere that that's like 37 miles, so that was a long walk, and I worked up a little bit of an appetite. I'm gonna head back to the Hard Rock and maybe have a cocktail there, head up to my room and edit some videos. Doesn't that sound exciting? Plan on doing some more videos while I'm here tomorrow, so stay tuned. Lots more coming up here on the New York channel.
You know what? Everywhere I go, I be like.
Told you I was gonna stop off for a cocktail, didn't I? Hold on tight. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.